Hi traders. So I've just entered short positions on Great British Pound US dollar. I did initially get long this morning, if you remember, from this value area, low rejection. I took price up to, which is where I said I was looking at as a possible area where it might see a bit of a problem, which was this single print area. So I entered here, exited here. So that was a nice move up. Let me just get rid of that. Start again. I then saw that we were between this blue VWAP and the magenta VWAP here, having a load of consolidation, right? The price was just being held at this VWAP and this VWAP, but we had the red Renko and a selling tail. So what I decided to do was, because this was over a period of about an hour and a quarter, hour and a half, we were consolidating. I decided I'll switch to the footprint on the Renko, and that's that red Renko that we saw in the VWAP chart. And we can see the white line is the VWAP. Price is being held to the pip there, and also that other VWAP with a magenta one was somewhere around about here. So between this area, over a period about an hour and a quarter, price was consolidated. Now, if you're a price action trader just trading candlesticks, naked candlesticks, you'd see that it's consolidating, but you wouldn't have a clue who was in control in that consolidation or what was going on. But we can see VWAP, price being held, can see a lot of volume took place, 2,747 contracts, and also minus 251 sell side delta. So sellers were generally in control here. So that gave me a clue that we've got a lot of selling going on. I'll see what happens at the 12 o'clock bell before I decided what decisions I'd make regarding trading. But I was thinking of a cheeky short position. So then coming to the 12 o'clock bell, you can see price, we've got the volume node here with the point of control. And on the volume profile here, it's green. You can see there's a lot of volume taking place. We opened just below it. We've been respecting the point of control. Now I got short. I'm looking to take my profits somewhere around about here in this volume node. Got edge of a ledge there, which is the value area low. We've got edge of a ledge there. Oh, sorry, which is where the volume point of control is. So that's where I'm going to be looking to see if we can get down towards to take my profits. Yeah, we've broken below my reversal study, which I'm currently developing at the moment. So just ignore that for the time being, but it's looking promising. It will help you with entries and keep you out of trouble, hopefully. But we'll talk about that another day when it's nearer completion. So at the moment, I'm looking at us trading a bit lower down, back towards this value area low again on the daily, which is going to be around about this volume cluster here. And I've already explained myself on the footprint why I switched to Renko instead of the 5-minute chart, just because we were consolidating over a long period of time. And because Renko is a time-based, it's price-based, we can see what happens in that price bracket before the Renkos move. So I've got 3 shorts in. I haven't put my stops in yet. I will put them in at some point. I'm hoping this is going to pump down a bit, and then I can just put my stops below at break even. But I'm monitoring the trade anyway. So that's basically what the gist of my decision to make the trade was. And now I'm just going to have to just sit and wait patiently and see how it plays out, which I won't bother boring you for what could be half an hour, because I'm going to run out of things to say. So I'm just going to now wrap this video up, and I'll just do a screenshot later on when it hits my target. Nice one. Cheers, guys. Catch you on the next one.